Adlera? Scissors. Naturally.
Dr. Ramchari.
Huh? Doctor. Ooh, wow, books. Oh, organic magic mix. Nice.
What is it?
For plants. Seaweed granules.
This? Nana, this?
Okay.
Huh?
Slow release formula. Top sellers.
What you can do with it?
Let's see. Oh, they're already put on into the bag. This is
Plantation.
Yes, magic mix. Happiness found you. We delivered it.
Already buying very
ఎంతది ఎక్కడ ఉందా అని ఇదా ఓకే యూసేజ్ హైయెస్ట్ క్వాలిటీ న్యాచురలీ గ్రీన్ హైయెస్ట్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ ఫర్ ఆర్గానిక్ ఫార్మ్స్ అంట న్యాచురలీ గ్రీన్ ఇండియా every bag sold makes a difference by delivering social, environmental and community responsibility. Lots of natural green in. We will not nature a lot. You see it. Growth hormones and paint. Neem oil and then coriander leaves. So this all came in this box. Packaging is good. And these are the things we received. Wherever life plants you bloom. Naturally green, happiness found you. We delivered it. You can check these things in www.naturallygreenindia.com. Open happiness. Open happiness. Open happiness. Naturally, happiness found you. We delivered. No better designer than nature. That's true. This backside of this. Naturally green. We are naturally green. Green naturally. A group of gardeners are passionate about nature who believe to bring of the greens with no artificial means, highest quality produce from organic farms in India. It's from HSR Layout, Bangalore. I like this warning and caution. Store in cool dry place away from direct sunlight. Warning, lots of naturally green inside. You will do nature a lot of good. Every box inside makes a difference by delivering social, environmental, community responsibility. I'll want to try this. I'll open and I'll show this again. Thank you. A rose too.